ngiyaphila nami. Igama nginguXaba from Cape Town. I decided to come this Sabbath, this upper, so that we may worship together the Lord. And also what I do, I just travel all around the country, ministering through music, sharing my testimony in music. God has blessed me with the gift of writing and singing, ministering to his people. Ingoma engizoyicula is entitled Ngisize Nkosi. As I believe, we are here, we are sick, be it spiritually, be it physically, but sinenkinga esibhekene nazo. It could be financial problems, it could be emishadweni yethu, but the fact that sinenkinga. This is Ash. I ask her to help me to do the song today. I hope you will be blessed. Amen. Yes, Lord. Kosinagu kushuleka kwami ngikuka ngizithoma phambi kobuso bakho Jesu ngithi thatha impilo yami senginikezela kuwe mina ngifana nendoda yaseBethesda eyayihleli iminyaka ilintuphila kwenkosi ngithi thatha impilo yami nginikezela kuwe ngisize baba wami ngiyazizamela moya ngiyami kepha ngiyahluleka ingalo Ingazo mbila baba Ingazo mshuleka mama Sasayitula bazalwane Kenelela momini ma Ngisize Nkosi yami Kenelela mentianini Ngizamuka umphakama Ngisize baba Ngisize Nkosi yami Siyashluleka Kosomakhelwane bayahlekisa ngegama lami bathi umjongeni uyahlupheka kodwa ekholwa nje kanti ukuphi lo Thixo akababaza ngaye Nkosi ndicela ungenelele la ngisize baba wami ngisize Nkosi ngiyakhuleka baba ngisize mveli nqange ngisize moya nezitha ziyangihleka baba wami wena ushila ezwini lakho wathi ngeke usilahle uthembisile wathi ngeke usiyekele baba ngisize baba wami ngisize Nkosi oh yeah. Amen.
Happy Sabbath Church. Happy Sabbath Church. Yeah, you are all looking good. Next year I want to come dressed like Fred. With the kente. All right. I stand here on behalf of the church. Okay, I've been a personal ministries leader for this year, and my tenure is coming to its close. When we started with a week of prayer. We all came. We were praying together, and it has been a good year. If we are going to be fair, okay? We are going to close with another week of prayer. That is starting next week, from the 6th to the 12th of October. All right? The nature of our week of prayer is that it features Pastor Mtseriwa and us. Okay? So why I say I'm standing on behalf of the church is because we will be here. We are extending the invitation to others who are normally not here. Okay? So those who are normally not here, please join us for this week. It is themed spirituality and meaning. Okay? So every day from Sunday, we skip this Sunday, the next one, we're going to be here 6:30 and we are out 8 o'clock sharp. Now, but this is how it's gonna be programmed. We're gonna have worship. We'll have a presentation, 25 to 30 minutes, and then we'll have discussions in the church. That's why I'm saying it features Pastor Mtseriwa and church members. So we have time to connect. We have time to relate with the subject that will be presented. So 30 minutes on the subject. We have 15, 20 minutes to discuss, and then we'll have prayers together. Now, I'm not here to beg people to come, to be honest with you, because when we come here, we are blessed. And every time we have a program, God has a blessing that He's releasing. So you do yourself a favor to come, and things will change. Things will change. There are things that you have been praying for, God will release a blessing. Every time when a door opens in a season, be available.